You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Alright, done with the truck. As you can see, it went well. Starter works great. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thumbs up. You got thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. On to the Murano now. I'll show you the parts. I got it jacked up already. Show you the parts I got lined up here. At the valve cover gaskets here. Valve cover gaskets. Spark plug seals. Oil pan gasket. So now first thing, use this guy here, this big bucket. Drain the oil and get rocking and rolling and get to it. Get to it with a little hurry. There's a saying I was looking for there. I don't remember it. It's kind of catchy. It's not coming to me. Now I'm gonna have to look it up. Now I'm gonna have to Google this. Why did I do this to myself? Why? Ugh. Ugh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Got the oil pan off, yeah 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 yeah. We got the oil pan off, yeah 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 yeah. We got the oil pan off. I got it off. I'm gonna clean it up now. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera, but kind of some surface rust here. So I'm gonna clean it up. Ain't gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna clean it and. Clean it, undercoat it, no more rust. I was gonna, I don't know if I might have to blur it out. I have blurred out, yeah. You rust. You rust. Alright. Back to it. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Oil pan, do 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 do. Oil pan, do 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 do. Oil pan. Good as it's getting. Alright, got the oil pan all cleaned up, most of the rust off. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's just my daily commuter, and who cares? I just want the damn thing to run right. Is that so much to ask? Is that so much? Is that so much to ask? Huh? 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 I'm gonna use this stuff to undercoat it. Let's see if we can get it. Rubberized undercoating. So my brother had this stuff when he undercoated. He had a truck that had a lot of rust on it. He took it all apart and went absolutely bad crazy, cleaning the crap out of it. And so he had like 2 or 3 gallons of this. So he had this left over. So this is what we're using. Let's get to it. I'll get to it. You sit back and relax. Don't worry, I got it. I got it. I got it. Alright. Next up, we're gonna try this stuff. Rust-Oleum undercoating. The other stuff was, oh crap. The other stuff was NG. No bueno. No bueno. It was not good. It was all dried up, and there wasn't much left anyway, so you know. Try again. What are you gonna do, huh? Yeah. Stretch. Ow! Whack my hand. That's drying over there in the middle of the yard. So that's all, waiting for oil pan to dry up so I can throw it back in. So in the meantime, start Rich. Oh my God. I swear I haven't been drinking. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Start ripping apart the top of the engine and time lapse it. Why not? Why not? Go. Ran into a problem, and so I'm basically gonna pack up here behind me for the day. Got everywhere, middle of the yard, across the street, schoolhouse, convenience store, Walmart. So I gotta go get parts. I got the wrong parts. I don't know if it was their fault, my fault. I'll go back to Napa to get the right parts. I'll show you that right here. These guys. Oops, sorry about that. These guys here, spark plug seals, tube seals, whatever the hell they're called. See this the hole there? This guy here is supposed to kind of fit tightly into there, and it doesn't. Doesn't. Jesus. So that's where I'm at. This is the front. I don't know if that they call it left. I guess it would be called right, since the timing belts on the side. I guess timing belt looking at it, it's called the right side. I guess, I suppose. Not 100% positive, but I'm going with that. It's the right goddamn valve cover. I didn't get the back one off yet. I also got to get I think it's called the PCV hose or valve hose or something like that. See, where the hell did it go? Here's a piece of it. There's one kind of broke into pieces. I know the shadows are messing with you. There's a song. Shadows are playing games in my mind or something like that. But I'm using some strength here to try to squeeze this damn thing. Nothing. Rock hard. So get a new hose, get a new one of these guys, get some new tube seals. It should be good to rock and roll. Should be good to rock and roll. Probably not going to finish up today. I'm probably not going to come back. All this clean up. See, I got crap out here too. Middle of the yard. I clean this stuff up. And then I crap all up. Play some shadow puppets or something here. Can we get something going here? Damn it. Sun, yeah, and then that sun goes away. Nice. Good timing. Good timing, Mother Nature. I'm probably not going to finish today. I got the oil pan undercoated and back up under there and torqued down. Torqued her down. Truck's all done, as I already told you. Come back out. It'll probably be the same episode though, so the same video. I don't know what you want to, I don't care what you want to call it. Tell me in the comments what you want to call it. Why not? You know? Why not? Why not? Let's go have some beers. Beers here. Alright, enough of my bullshit shenanigans. It's nice out today. For once in the goddamn blue moon. It's probably a blue moon out, Hey, why not? This doesn't happen often. I should play the lottery today. Probably win. Probably win. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Tell me your numbers below too, you know, why not? I mean, I can't, you know, play them yet, but, you know, in the future, next time I'm feeling lucky, if, you know, I feel like I got rabbit's foot stuck up my maybe I'll play your number. And I'll tell you what, you know what? I'll play your numbers and put down below, and if I win, I'll give you a percentage. I don't know, well, 10% or something. 10% could be, you know, 100 million, you know, it's $10 million. I'll give you credit. Give you credit. We'll pick back up. There's the old girl. That's the stripped down one. That one's in the garage. The garage. Yeah. And here's a stripped down one right here. Z. Z, baby, Z. Yeah. Come right back to you. Got the right parts. Coming right at you. Got the right parts. This is really stupid. The spark plug tube seals are molded in like this. Molded in. They're molded into the valve cover, so I had to replace the freaking valve covers. Don't ask me why. Nissan, what the F? What the F? What the F, Nissan? Jesus. I'll show you that right here. Here's the new guys. There's the one with the, there's the front one. Hey, F you. So there's one new guy, another new guy. Here's the old guy. You know what? I don't cares. Just take my word for it. If you don't take my word for it, you can go F yourself. So we're gonna keep it cranking. Keep it cranking. Somebody's doing some over there. I think they got a dead body. A lot of creepy happens over there. A lot of creepy. I should set up this camera over there. A lot of creepy. I tell you, there's definitely some illegal activity going on over there. Definitely. It's like the burbs, you know, dead neighbors. Enough about my illegal neighbors, my criminals, wheeling dead bodies around. Let's get back to the car. Unless you want to talk about that a little bit more. If you want to talk about that a little more, just let me know. And, you know, in a future video we can have a further, more in-depth discussion. And maybe I'll actually set the camera up over there and show you what the hell's going on. Just let me know. Keep me informed. And then I'll keep you informed. Well, I'm totally can't get any more than I'm how the does hardened goddamn steel snap? How the does that happen? Can't see the hole here, but where my finger is, first, goddamn valve cover bolt snapped in the hole. I'm like, okay, that pretty well sucks all the way around, but I'll use this, you know, drill it out, use a screw extractor. You know, it might take an hour, hour and a half, something like that. Okay, you know, it kind of slows things down. I was making good headway. Actually, you know, broke a few drill bits. Okay, whatever. It's a few bucks, no big deal. Then what happens? Finally get the hole drilled. I'm like, hey, gonna win here. I'm gonna win. You might have kicked me. You might have kicked me in the shin. You might be a shin kicker, but I'll get your ass. So, as you can see, it's getting a little dark, but I'll get your ass. So, got the hole drilled out. Finally got it drilled out. I went through 4 bits or something like that. Whatever. It's, you know, it's not the end of the world. Bit snap. What are you gonna do?
So I'm happy at that point. So I grab the screw extractor, tap it in a little bit, and get it nice and snug in there in the hole. Use the little T-handle thing. I almost died. This guy. Can't see it too well, but I know lighting sucks, but deal with it. Deal with it. I'm dealing with worse right now, so you deal with that. So then, yeah, there we go. There, I'll give you a little better lighting. So put the T-handle on it. Start turning. It's pretty damn tight. You know, okay. Alright, it was tight. Bolt snapped because it was tight. So, you know, put a little muscle into it. Apparently a little too much. I figure it's hardened steel. If anything, I'm going to have to put serious force to crack it. I put a good amount, but not serious. So then, it snaps. Now, it's honestly has never happened to me. Never. I've snapped bolts plenty of times. Just like, you know, any other person who's worked on cars a lot. Any other mechanic, whoever it is. Never have I snapped a screw extractor in the hole. And it's also in the back. It's not even in the front in a convenient spot to work on it. I'm not sure what to do. So, I'm going to lick my wounds, go cry in my pillow, wrap myself in a blankie and scream for mommy. Nothing else to do. It. No, I'm gonna go home and clean up here and then go home and hopefully somebody on YouTube has a trick for this. It doesn't involve pulling the goddamn head and take it to a machine shop. Not trying to do that. Not trying to do that. Also not trying to have a leaking valve cover. Not trying to have that either. So I'm hoping the internet's going to help me. Internet hopefully saves my ass. Save my ass, internet. Save my ass. That's where we're at. So, yeah. So, a nice little one-day job is now going to day 3. Welcome to my life, baby. Welcome. You're welcome. If you want to see more shenanigans and more foul messes I get myself into, or that find me, actually. I don't get myself into them. They find me. Subscribe. Little watermark down here. I don't know if I'm pointing to the right corner. Yeah, I'll point to the other corner too. It's one of these. It's down here or it's down here. It's one of these spots. There's a little subscribe watermark. Click it. Click it or tick it, baby. Click it or tick it. Alright, we'll be back. You know what? I'm going to break this up. This is becoming an ordeal. And you're not trying to watch a, hour-long saga on camera. So we're going to cut this episode here and come back. Drive fast, take chances.